everyone, this is Jessie Grove from the UWM School of Freshwater Sciences Buoy Lab. I know this looks a little overwhelming, but I'll walk you through it, don't worry. Today I'm going to take you on a little journey through the Green Bay buoy system. So first off, we've got the data well lid. This is what keeps all the innards nice and dry, and of course where all of our cables connect to from the sensors. If you were to open the buoy, this is the first thing you would see. I'm actually kind of proud of this. This is my first prototype for the little housing that we made for the camera modem. So in our systems, our cameras are set up and they require a second modem other than the one that's inside the data logger, so we can send buoy images. So it needs its whole setup. So here it is, my little spaceship, as I like to call it. Next, we have the actual brains of the operation, if you will. Inside this black foam housing is the data logger itself. You can see off the top there's an antenna line. I have a whole bunch of antennas strung up here so I can have stuff running and testing. Our service is kind of crappy here, so you know, it works. Next, on the outside of the buoy, we've got our ADCP. This is the business end over here. This is our weather sensor, and we've got two water quality sondes, one for the surface and one for near the bottom. It's about 1 meter off the bottom, which we installed last year, and that was really successful. We had live near bottom water data to monitor hypoxia in Green Bay. Also down here, we've got the temperature string. So there it is. Everything that's normally on the buoy is laid out for you here. Again, I know it looks a little overwhelming. Here is a much simpler diagram of what I just showed you. So up here we've got the buoy lid, all the connections that would go on the top, and this is all the wiring that's inside, batteries included here. So that helps me maintain my sanity because, as you might imagine, that gets a little messy. So here's the Green Bay buoy camera. I've just mounted it sort of up in here so it's easier to work with. And again, those images go through another modem, another cell modem here in my little spaceship. And if you were to look at live data, I mean, normally I'm not there, but hi, that's me. So once the buoys are out bobbing around on the lake, this is where I monitor the live data. This is sort of our buoy nerve center. Each buoy has its own computer. It's kind of goofy, but that's how it works. It's kind of bland in here, admittedly, but you know, it's fine. Also, you can see I love Post-it notes, so that's fun. Since I'm testing the GB system right now, you can see we've got a data point from 6 o'clock. Yes, I'm here kind of late, but that's all right. It's worth it. So here it is. This is where I'm tinkering around and tweaking things and making sure our data looks good. And this is where it comes before it gets sent off to glass. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. This is Jessie signing off from the School of Freshwater Sciences Buoy Lab. Can't wait for deployment.